Welcome to an overview of the HP Vertica HCatalog connector. The HCatalog connector gives your HP Vertica database a new way to access data stored in a Hadoop cluster. It lets you query data stored in Apache Hive as if it is stored in a native HP Vertica table. This video explains what the HCatalog connector is and how you can use it to integrate your HP Vertica and Hadoop data. Hive and HCatalog Overview. Apache Hive is a data warehouse built on top of Hadoop. It provides a structured relational model view of unstructured data stored in the Hadoop distributed file system. It also provides a SQL-like language to query this data. HCatalog lets third parties examine the relational structure of data stored in Hive. WebHCat makes HCatalog structural information available through web-based REST function calls. HCatalog connector requirements. The HCatalog connector is already installed in HP Vertica version 7.0. Before you can use it, you must install a 64-bit Java 6 or later runtime on all the nodes in your HP Vertica database. See the HP Vertica documentation for instructions. In addition, the nodes on your HP Vertica cluster must be able to connect to every node in your Hadoop cluster. Any firewall between the two clusters must allow connections on the ports used by HDFS, the Hive metadata database, and the WebHCat server. To work with the HCatalog connector, your Hadoop cluster must use Hadoop version 2.0, have Hive version 0.10 or 0.11 installed, and have HCatalog 0.5 installed with WebHCat enabled. If any of your Hive tables use a custom SERDI, you need to install the SERDI's jar file on your HP Vertica cluster. See the HP Vertica documentation for instructions. How the HCatalog connector works. Using the HCatalog connector, you define a schema within your HP Vertica database that corresponds to a Hive database. You query data in this schema using HP Vertica's own SQL language, including its analytic extensions. The schema created by the HCatalog connector is read-only. You cannot use it to insert data into the Hive database. When you query data from a table in the HCatalog schema, the HCatalog connector retrieves the structure and data storage locations of the Hive table from the WebHCat server. HP Vertica uses this metadata to plan your query. When your query executes, HP Vertica locates the file segments in HDFS storing the data in the Hive table or tables being queried. It equally assigns each node in your HP Vertica cluster a set of file segments to retrieve from HDFS. The nodes all retrieve and extract the data file segments and then execute the query. HP Vertica executes the query, not Hive. The only overhead in your Hadoop cluster is the access to HDFS. In addition, you get to use all of HP Vertica's analytic tools on your Hadoop data. Querying data through the HCatalog connector is often faster than performing the same query in Hive, thanks to HP Vertica's optimizations. For a demonstration of using the HCatalog connector, see Part 2 of this video. To learn more about the HCatalog connector or other ways to integrate HP Vertica and Hadoop, see the HP Vertica documentation.